Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve customer engagement with Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. Choose email from the options presented. Select the type of email campaign you want to create. Give your campaign a descriptive name. Choose your audience from the drop-down menu. Click on Begin to start designing your email. In the email designer, choose a layout template that fits your message. Customize the template by adding your brand logo and colors. Write a compelling subject line that grabs attention. In the content block, craft engaging copy tailored to your audience. Include relevant images to make your email visually appealing. Add a clear call to action button that directs recipients to your website. Review your email for any spelling or grammatical errors. Click on Preview to see how your email will look on desktop and mobile. Once satisfied, proceed to the next step by clicking Continue. Select your tracking options to measure engagement metrics. Schedule your email for optimal send time or send it immediately. After sending, monitor the campaign performance in the report section. Analyze open rates, click rates, and engagement to understand audience behavior. Use these insights to refine future campaigns and improve customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.